Hello everyone! Today we continue working with the code for lazy ones. I've already tacked the center back and one of the side seams. I've also made a spacing seam on the center front. Now I'm taking one of the shoulder seams. When I finish doing it, I'll start taking the right detail of the front, the one with the collar. Now I can move on to the second detail of the front. I need to prepare it first. I'll make a spacing seam in the center front. I've already told you a lot of times that you have to know where are the center front and waistline situated. I draw the center front according to the pins. Now I'll detach the pattern and make a spacing seam. This is the right detail at the front, the one with the collar. This is the shoulder. This is the stand collar. It will be stitched this way. And this is the draped part. Now I'll tack this detail to the other ones. I match the waistlines before I start tacking. The most important thing when working with asymmetric items is that you need to sign all the details. If you sign them when cutting, you won't have any problems when tacking. Now I'll tack the sleeves. It actually doesn't take long to make such coat, but the fact that there are rather bright stripes on the fabric has made my life much harder. Now I'll tack the shoulder. I want to pin it first in order not to make mistakes. The part where the collar starts should match the beginning of the shoulder. Pin them before tacking. When I finish tacking the sleeve, I'll move on to the stand collar. This is the shoulder. This is the back neckline. Now I need to tack the stand collar to the item. I turn the collar this way and start tacking it to the back neckline. I've forgotten to tell you that I've made the scarf-like part of the collar 1 meter long. You can make it as long as you want. You can see that I've turned the collar, and now I'm taking it to the back neckline. Then I'll take it to the front neckline. Now I'll take it to the front neckline. You can see that the collar matches the neckline perfectly. The edges match. I've tacked the stand collar from the right shoulder to the left center front. This is how it looks like. Be very attentive now. This is how the stand collar looks like. Now I can try the coat on. Have a look at the coat. I still need to stitch it and to process the edges. You can see that the sleeves are pretty wide. This side of the stand collar is higher, for it to make such beautiful gathers here. I think that it looks amazing. I've already told you that the draping starts about 7 cm up from the waistline. I've pinned a loop here in order to pull the end of the collar through it. I think that it looks great. I love this coat. You don't necessarily have to make such coats with similar color. I just show you the techniques and ideas. I want you to use your imagination. The most important thing here is that the right detail of the front and the stand collar are made of the one piece of fabric. I hope you like the design. Such coats are especially good for those who want to hide some parts of their bodies. I think that it makes me look very slim and elegant. I love this design. That's all for today. Be different and beautiful. My name is Irina. Subscribe to my channel. Goodbye.